This is a video that I put together, and we're going to have to take a quick quiz as we do it. Okay? And pause. I need to introduce you to Sarah. Sarah is in charge of 15 gummy bears. She's either babysitting them or she's going to eat them up. We'll find out in the end. These 15 gummy bears, there's 5 red, 5 green, and 5 yellow. Well, her friends, Jonathan and Kristen, came over, and they wanted some gummy bears too. So Sarah decided to give each of them a bear, and she was going to divide those 15 bears amongst the 3 of them. So she took one and gave one to Kristen, one to Jonathan, and one to herself. And she kept on doing that. Now she has 2. Jonathan has 2. Now she has 2. Now she put 3, 3, 3. And then she put 1 in for Kristen, 1 for Jonathan, 1 for herself. And all of a sudden you see that there's 5 in front of Kristen, 5 in front of Jonathan, and 5 in front of her. So we're going to take a quick quiz to see if you're paying attention. Now this quiz will be the first couple answers that you need to write down in your notebook. You won't be able to take this quiz except in your notebook. So let's do it together. And let's go back just a hair. Replay last section. Let's go right here. And pause. A little bit further. Okay, if you notice, Kristen has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jonathan also has 5. And Sarah herself has kept 5 for herself. Now if we count, you can tell that there are 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 total. Well, let's take the quiz and find out if we have the answers. First question. How many gummy bears does each friend have? Well, if you count Kristen, she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Jonathan, he's German, he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Sarah, she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer, well, you put your answer for a second. Okay, I'll put my answer. I'll see if I get it right. Now, 15 gummy bears were divided between 3 friends. That's a misspelling. 15 gummy bears divided between 3 friends equals how many bears for each friend? There we go. I said it correctly. How many gummy bears for each friend? Let's see if you get it right. And now we're doing division. You just did dividing. 15 divided by 3 equals 5, 10, or 3. Now don't put my answer. You'll have to pick one of the other 2. I'm going to submit my answers and we'll see view answers or continue. Since you know I missed one, I'm going to continue on and then we'll check our answers on Wednesday. Continue. Well, Sarah invited David and Brett along, and they decided the 15 bears could be divided amongst the 5 of them. So now we're going to divide 15 amongst 5 friends. And we're going to take 1 from Kristen, 1 from Jonathan, 1 from Sarah, and then we're going to try that again until we have equal groups for everybody. 1 from Jonathan, 1 from Sarah, 1 from Kristen, 1 from Jonathan, and 1 from Jonathan, 1 from Sarah. Now, Sarah has 3, Jonathan has 3, Kristen has 3, Brett has 3, and David has 3. Wait a second. Those 15 are all divided amongst those 5s. What happened? Can we take 15 and divide it by 5 people and make equal groups? Let's take the quiz and find out. This is 2 questions right now, so 1 of 2. Now how many gummy bears does each person have? Well, they have 2 each, correct? Each person was happy Sarah made it even. Why or why not? Well, I'm going to put a full answer. You can put your own answer, but it needs to be something that says that it's got to be fair. You choose your answer. I'm going to submit my answers. And then watch them eat them all gone. Oh, yum, 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 yum. They were hungry for the bears. Boom, boom, boom. The end.